LA Contractor Web Designs here. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your domain into Cloudflare. My domain registrar I'm using is Porkbun, but you can use any domain registrar. Also, I know a lot of people are moving away from Netlify because they took away their free unlimited sites feature. So this should be a good video for you. And also I'm doing this video because Cloudflare has some interface issues right now, so I'm trying to solve that for you guys. So anyways, what you want to do is go to Compute and AI in your left tab here. Go to Workers and Pages. So the Pages section is not here. It's actually hidden up in here in this top right section. So go to plus add. And here's the Pages. So now you want to get started. You want to connect to your GitHub. Mine's already connected. And then just follow these steps. I can't disconnect for some reason, but just follow these steps. It's simple. And then select your repository and begin setup. Keep that how it is. I'm just using basic HTML and CSS and JavaScript, so I really don't need anything special here. So you want to go and blah blah and go to save and deploy. Okay, so now it's building and deploying. Just give it a moment. Okay, there we go. So now what we want to do is go and click on Add Custom Domain. And you can actually see the website here. There it is. So add custom domain and set up a custom domain. And my domain name is purpley.space. Okay. Okay, just click on begin DNS transfer. There you go. Now it's going to send you to this page. I think it should be, if you get lost, it should be on account home. So now just type in your domain name, quick scan for DNS records, press continue. Click on the free plan because we want free stuff around here. Okay, so no, for me, since I already did this process before, I deleted all my DNS records to show you guys. So this is how you would create your DNS records. And I want to reiterate that Cloudflare uses CNAME over the A record most of the times. I know that if you're coming from Netlify, they prioritize the A record, but in Cloudflare they use the CNAME record more than the A record. So we're going to stick with just the CNAME record here. So, okay, so what we want to do now is add a CNAME record. We're going to give it a CNAME. We're going to use the @ symbol for our CNAME record, and the target is going to be our URL that they gave us. Don't include the HTTPS right now. And then keep this checked and press save. Now you want to add another record. Okay, once that's done, you want to go to CNAME record again, put in www, then type in your URL, then press save. So now you want to continue to activation. Okay, so once you activate it, you want to copy these name servers here and go to your domain registrar. Mine is Porkbun here. And all we gotta do is copy and paste those records. I already had it there. So I just gotta delete these random characters here and click submit. Yours previously might say like dog.porkbun.com. Mine, I just changed it up just to show you guys. But this is the actual name servers for Cloudflare as of right now. So just click on submit or wherever your name servers are at. There you go. And now once I submit it, just go back to your Cloudflare and click on I updated my name servers. Now click on check name servers here. It might take 5 to 2 hours according to Cloudflare. So once that's done loading, you want to click on overview. It will send you back to this page just to guide you through, and then go click on back into domains. What you want to do is go and press and compute and AI, workers and pages. Click on your repo here, and then click on custom domains. Now you want to set up a custom domain. It's going to be purpley, or for me, my domain name is purpley.space. So you want to click on continue. Then click on activate domain. It may take up to 48 hours. So now what we want to do is enter in www.purpley.space or whatever your domain is and press continue. And then we want to activate domain again. And it's going to take some time again. It might take up to 48 hours or it might take up 5 minutes. Okay, so now that it is done, it says active. You still want to wait a good 30 minutes afterwards to see if there's no 403 records. But for me, I already waited 30 minutes, so let's go check this out. So that one works. And that works. So that's all you had to do. Please like and subscribe. If you have any issues, just comment down below or just ask ChatGPT or something. So thank you.